Welcome, listener. Today, in this lecture, we will discuss selection control or decision making. Now, selection control statements usually jumps from one part of code to another depending on a particular condition. In Python, selection control structures are used to make decisions in the code. That is, to select between different paths of execution depending on conditions. This is done using conditional statements which evaluate Boolean expression, that is true or false, and determine which code path should be followed. The main types of selection control in Python are simple if statement, if else statement, nested if statements, and if elif else statements. Now, take one example that is real life example. If raining, takes an umbrella, otherwise wear sunglasses and go outside. We write this in the coded form. Raining is equal to true if raining, print take an umbrella, else print wear sunglasses, print go outside. Now in this case, you see raining is equal to true. That means take an umbrella, go outside. Now in the first line, if training is equal to false, after that rest code remains same. That is, if raining, print take an umbrella, else print wear sunglass, print go outside. And in first line, if raining is equal to false, then if raining is false, that's why that block will not execute. So directly wear sunglass, go outside. So if raining is equal to true, then take an umbrella, go outside. If raining is equal to false, wear sunglass, go outside. Now if statement executes a block of code if a condition is true. Syntax: if test expression statement block 1, then statement block 2. Now in statement block 1, indentation is mandatory to define this statement block 1. Now here, first the test expression is evaluated. If the test expression is true, the statement of if block, that is statement block 1, is executed, and then the execution will jump to statement block 2. If the test expression is false, then statement block 1 will be skipped and the execution will jump to statement block 2. As for example, age equal to int input, enter your age. If age greater than or equal to 18, print you are eligible to vote. So here we ask the user to enter your age. Then the input function gets the enter your age value as string and int convert it to a integer number. Then we store this in variable called age. Now if age greater than equal to 18, suppose if the user in place of enter your age put 21, then 21 greater than equal to 18, this is true. So you are eligible to vote will be displayed. Now in the above code, if the user put 15, then 15 greater than equal to 18, this is false. So you are eligible to vote. This print statement will be skipped. Nothing will be displayed. If else statement provides two branches, one for when the condition is true and another for when it is false. Syntax: if test expression statement block 1, else statement block 2, statement block 3. Now statement block 1 and statement block 2, this is indentation is mandatory to define this statement block 1 and statement block 2. Here, first, the test expression is evaluated. If the test expression is true, the statement of if block, that is statement block 1, is executed, and then the execution will jump to statement block 3. Statement block 2 is skipped. If the test expression is false, the statement of else block, that is statement block 2, is executed, and the execution will jump to statement block 3, and statement block 1 is skipped. So statement block 3 is executed in every case. So if test expression is true, then statement block 1, after that statement block 3. If test expression is false, then statement block 2, after that statement block 3. Example: age equal to int input, enter your age. If age greater than or equal to 18, print you are eligible to vote, else print you are not eligible to vote. Now enter your age. If we put 23, 23 greater than equal to 18, so first block, that is you are eligible to vote, will be displayed. Enter your age. If we put 16, then 16 greater than equal to 18, that is false. So else part block, that is you are not eligible to vote, will be displayed. Nested if statements: an if statement inside another if or else block. Syntax: if condition 1, if condition 2, else, then outer else. Now if condition 1, code block for condition 1 is true. If condition 2, code block for condition 1 is true and condition 2 is also true, else code block for condition 1 is true and condition 2 is false. And outer loop, that is else, code block if condition 1 is false. And inner if else, for that indentation is mandatory. If else statement allows multiple conditions to be checked in sequence. Syntax: if test expression 1, statement block 1, elif test expression 2, statement block 2, elif test expression 3, statement block 3, else statement block 4. Here statement block 1 is executed if test expression 1 is true. Statement block 2 is executed if test expression 1 is false and test expression 2 is true. Statement block 3 is executed if test expression 1 and test expression 2 are false and test expression 3 is true. Otherwise, statement block 4 is executed if test expression 1, test expression 2, and test expression 3 all are false. See the example: marks is equal to input, enter the marks. If marks greater than or equal to 90, print grade E. Elif marks greater than or equal to 75, print grade A. Elif marks greater than or equal to 60, print grade B. Else print grade C. All print statements should mandatorily be indented. Now enter the marks. If we put 92, so you see 92 greater than equal to 90, that is true. So grade E will be printed. Now enter the marks. If we put 84, you see in if condition 84 greater than equal to 90, that is false. Then it checks in first ellipse 84 greater than equal to 75, that is true. That's why grade A will be printed. Points to remember for if ellipse else statement: only one if, multiple ellipse blocks, 0 or 1 else block, and indentation is mandatory to define the blocks. Now in summary tables, if only one condition to check, if else two-way decision, true or false, nested if, an if statement inside another if or else block, if ellipse else, multiple conditions, multi-way decision. Note, do not use floating point numbers for checking for equality in the test expression, and Python do not have switch case statement. Thank you.